Hi guys, today we will be solving O-level physics May June 2010 paper 1-2. So let's get started. Question number 1. The question says the following statements are about motion. There are 4 statements given and the question says that which statements describe vector quantities. So vector quantities are those that have magnitude as well as direction. So statement number 1, a plane flies due east for 600 kilometers. So we have both the magnitude as well as the direction. Number 2, a runner's average speed in a race is about 5 meters per second. So just the magnitude, a snail crawls at 3 millimeter per second in a straight line towards a lattice. Both the magnitude and the direction. Number 4, a tourist travels 500 kilometers on a journey. So just the magnitude. So the correct answer is 1 and 3, which is B. Power, question number 2. Power is measured in watts. What is the correct symbol for millions of watts? The million is 1. This is million, right? So the symbol for watt is capital W. So A and C goes out of consideration. So the small m stands for milli. So it is not million. So D is the correct answer, which is 1 megawatt, which is equal to millions of watt. Just erase this. Okay. Question number 3. Two men jump out of an aeroplane at the same time. One of the men opens his parachute and the other man remains in free fall. Why is the man in free fall moving faster than the parachutist? Option A, the man in free fall experiences greater air resistance. No. Um, Resistance, no. Then he wouldn't be moving faster. Option number B, the man in free fall has greater mass. So, no, this might not be the reason. The parachutist experiences greater air resistance. Yes, because air resistance is directly proportional to the surface area, and the parachute gives the man a greater surface area. The parachutist has not reached terminal velocity. No. Question number 4. A student measures the speed of a trolley. At one instant, the speed of the trolley is 1 meters per second, and 2 seconds later, the speed is 4 meters per second. What is the acceleration of the trolley? So we use the formula of acceleration, which is final speed minus initial speed upon time. So final speed is 4, initial is 1, time is 2 seconds. So it becomes 3 upon 2, which is 1.5. The answer is A. Question number 5. The speed time graph shows the movement of a car. So there is speed on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. What does the shaded area of the graph represent? So remember that the shaded area is always equal to the distance traveled by the car when there is speed on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. Question number 6. A passenger is sitting in an aeroplane which takes off and climbs to 10,000 meters. During this time, what happens to the mass and to the weight of the passenger? So mass always remain unchanged. So option A and option B are not valid. So let's see between option C and D. So the weight cannot increase. So it will decrease because weight is the product of mass multiplied by gravitational field strength. Okay, so when it is on the earth, the gravitational field strength is equivalent to 9.81, but when on the moon it is equal to 1.6, so it decreases. Question number 7. A wooden trapdoor is hinged along one side and when closed is supported on the other side by a ledge. When the trapdoor is closed, the ledge exerts an upward force of 15 Newton on the trapdoor. The gravitational field strength is 10 Newton per kilogram. What is the mass of trapdoor? So this is here's the hinge. So this is the clockwise moment and here's the anti-clockwise moment. So there's this formula called clockwise moment is equals to anti-clockwise moment. So clockwise moment is weight is unknown multiplied by 30 centimeters. Um, Conventionally, the distance should be in meters, but here since both of them are in centimeters and we are supposed to find the mass, it isn't required to change the units. Um, but you can do that too. So there is this 15 Newton and 60 centimeter. Weight comes out to be just a second. 15 multiplied by 60 divided by 30, which is 30. So the mass is going to be 3 kgs because we are going to divide it by gravitational field strength, which is 10. Question number 8. The diagram shows an aeroplane turning in a horizontal circle at a constant speed. In which direction is the resultant force? So it is always inwards. Question number 9. The diagram shows the levels x and y in a liquid manometer with the gas tap open. So here's the manometer and all the unit and the magnitudes are given. What is the pressure of the gas supply? So I think so here you need to say that this is the thing. So the answer would be 18 centimeter above atmospheric pressure because it has gone down. Which part of the graph shows the limit of proportionality of an elastic solid? So it is P. So here I'll stop this video, but if you guys want me to make more of such videos, then do let me know in the comment section below. Also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.